mtazamaji, uchaguzi wa mwaka huu umeonyesha ukakamavu wa wanawake waliojitokeza na kuwania viti mbalimbali, mtazamaji, vya uchaguzi, na tumekuandalia taarifa ifuatayo kuhusu washindi ibuka kwenye kiti hicho.
In the 2013. More so, we want to celebrate the women from the very marginalized communities. We have Commissioner Honorable Fatuma Dulo, who now is the elect senator for Isiolo, a community that we know had compromised, had negotiated democracy, preferred men to women. And this lady has come and shown that it is possible. Now, we have Lesuda in Samburu. We have Sophia Abdi, also from a marginalized community. Now, we have to learn from these women, and I want to tell Kenyan women that it's possible. These are women who've gone out of the cultural beliefs and now will be the first ever elected leaders in this community. I think it's possible with all other women from other community. As we celebrate them, I think women need to lean in. Women need to go for it. They are able, it's possible, and they can do it. I keep saying that we may not realize the two-thirds gender rule, especially in the National Assembly. And I have been asked what we will do. Of course, I have said it and I will say it again. Nothing stops any Kenyan from moving to court and having the National Assembly declared unconstitutional if they do not meet the two-thirds gender rule. In the Senate, we knew we needed 5 female senators for there to be no constitutional crisis. So far, we have 3. Hopefully, if we get 2 more, then the Senate will be out of the hook. But if not, the Senate, that means the Parliament will have to be considered unconstitutional for not meeting the two-thirds gender rule. But having said this, we can now see from what the women have shown us that if political parties were to give more women room to run, we will then meet the two-thirds gender rule without necessarily requiring the affirmative action. And men, watch out. You might be the ones asking for the affirmative action very soon if this trend of the women is kept. So thank you, women. Congratulations, both men and women of this country, for believing in women. And what does the women leadership bring? Women leadership here brings emotional intelligence. We know that the women leaders have an extra intelligence, not necessarily that men do not have, but women will bring in the motherly role. And we know that the county work, the county role that the Senate and the county governments are engaged in is all about community development, issues around agriculture, issues around health. So I want to believe that the women will bring better policies and the counties will be able to celebrate good leadership from the women. Thank you, and I can take any questions.